early Christmas morning light. Sun a shine bright, everything feel right. Mommy in the kitchen with the cocoa tea. I smell sorrel and the cake, it's smelling sweet to me. Outside my friends, them a run and play. We a talk about Santa and him big red sleigh. No snow upon the ground, just the island breeze. Palm trees sway soft in the Christmas Eve. And me heart start beat, beat, beat when me hear a little jingling on the street. Me rub me eye and me look through the glass. Is Santa really coming past? I wonder what kind of present I'm going to get this Christmas. Will it be a drum or a brand new ball? Hey! A storybook or a big red truck? Or maybe just love, that's the best of all. I wonder what kind of present I'm going to get this Christmas. Look at Santa in his sleigh on Jamaican road, waving through the breeze in the island sun. Look there, Santa in a short sleeve shirt, red hat on him head, no snow, no dirt. He might drive him sleigh like a little small van. Reindeer turn donkeys, a Jamaican plan. Him on go beep beep down the lane. Kids a jump and a shout out him name. Santa, Santa, over here, so him laugh ha ha with a reggae flow, and me heart start beat, beat, beat when him slow down right out in me street. Me rub me eye and me run to the gate. Could it be my present he a bring so late? I wonder what kind of present I'm going to get this Christmas. Will it be a kite flying in a blue sky? Hey! A little guitar for me sing me song, or maybe just time with my family by my side. I wonder what kind of present I'm going to get this Christmas. Look at Santa in his sleigh on Jamaican road, waving through the breeze in the island sun. Santa, Santa, what you bring for me? Enough joy and love for the family. Santa, Santa, what you bring today? A Christmas blessing in every way. Me no really mind if the gift them small, cause the biggest present is love for all. Santa just smile and him wink him eye. Say share what you have, that's how blessings multiply. I wonder what kind of present I'm going to get this Christmas. Maybe just a hug and a warm embrace. Yeah. Mommy and daddy are my friends so dear. That's the kind of present that me really want here. I wonder what kind of present I'm going to get this Christmas. Look at Santa in his sleigh on Jamaican road, waving through the breeze in the island sun. La 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 la, Christmas in jail. La 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 la, Santa on the way. La 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 la, love is what we share. Best kind of present is when we care.